I choose to continue this journey with you, to laugh with you in times of joy and to comfort you in times of sorrow. I choose you again and I will choose you over and over again. Sabi nga sa kanta, pipiliin at pipiliin ka sa araw.
You say that I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future. So just hold on like you will never let go. Yeah, if you ever move on without me,
To the love of my life,
make sure you know.
Langga, salamat sa lahat ng pagpapapansin na ginawa mo noong payat, maitim, at kalbo pa ako.
Yeah, you,
Hindi ko maalala paano tayo nagsimula.
not anyone.
Kasi sino pa naman ang mag-aakala na ang isang joker na katulad mo
You're the
ay magiging seryoso pala at totoo.
ever done. Forever's not enough time to love you the way that I want.
God gave me a love story,
'Cause every
so much
morning
greater than I ever imagined for myself.
I feel the
I took the road less traveled, the Philippine National Police Academy, to become a cadet and to achieve my dream. My goal is to graduate in that prestigious institution. Pero di ko akalain, doon ko rin pala makikita at matatagpuan ang aking mapapangasawa.
that you are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone.
Thank you kasi hindi mo nakalimutan
Looking
na meron tayong dream wedding na pag-uusapan natin na magpakasal ulit. Tinatanong kita, bakit? Bakit tayo magpapakasal ulit? Alam mo, hindi ko makakalimutan yung sagot mo. At ang sabi mo, pinakasalan kita sa lupa. Kaya pakakasalan kita sa langit. At sabi mo pa, deserve mo ang magandang wedding.
are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only good I've ever done. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone.
Lang, etong mga kamay na ito, I promise to love you now and forever. These hands will work alone beside you and build our future.
If it's not you, it's
Hands will passionately love you through the years. Hands that will tenderly hold our children and protect them as they grow.
this is all I want.
I promise to support you and love you unconditionally.
I've seen far too many.
I promise to be faithful and true to you. To be with you through good times and bad times. At higit sa lahat, iintindihin at masahabain ko pa ang aking pasensya sa lahat ng iyong kakulitan.
Like bridges and
Thank you lang for giving me the best wedding. I love you.
in the light. So set me on fire like I've never known. I wanna love you more as life goes on. So all of my days, I'll place my first again. Ooh.
I vow to support you, inspire you, and love you always. For as long as we both live, I vow to choose to love you in times of hard, and I will protect this marriage at all costs, holding you as the God most precious gift in my life.
You'll see this world return your first